In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to anchor in Confluence. Anchors are an effective way to navigate long documents and help your team quickly find the information they need. So, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. This is a straightforward step, but make sure you're using a browser that you feel comfortable with, as it will make the process smoother. Next, type Confluence into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see Confluence's website appearing in the results. Click on it to access the platform. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, don't worry. You can sign up for free. Just follow the prompts on the screen to enter your details and create your account. This process is pretty intuitive, but make sure to remember your login information for future access. Once you're inside Confluence, it's time to either create a new page or edit an existing one. Navigate to the space where you want to work and click either Create for a new page or Edit if you're updating an existing document. This will open the page editor where you'll do all your modifications. When you're ready to add an anchor, type a / to pull up the command menu. From here, begin typing anchor into the command search bar. As you type, you should see the anchor macro pop up in the suggestions. Click on it to select it. This is the tool you'll use to set anchors at different points in your document. Now, it's time to assign a unique name to your anchor. Be descriptive in your naming. For example, if the anchor is near a section detailing project goals, you could name it Project Goals. Here's a little tip. Remember to use hyphens instead of spaces in your anchor names. This allows for better compatibility and ease of use within the system. Once you've named your anchor, click the Insert button to add it to the page. The anchor will now be in place, marking that specific point for easy reference. But remember, your changes won't be saved until you publish them. So don't forget this crucial step. Make sure to click on the Publish button to save all your hard work and make the changes live. And that's it. You've successfully added an anchor to your Confluence page. With these anchors in place, navigating your documents is now much more efficient. This can be especially helpful in lengthy documents where specific sections need quick access. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your Confluence experience.